Justin Galloway, Director of Health and Wellness here at Northlands College. Here at Northlands College, we have an exciting schedule for some of the trades programming that we're offering in 2023-24.
In our program, we are training young students, men and females, to be power line technicians in the power line and communication industry. We run them through 12 weeks of intensive training, moving them out from our position into the market for employment. The last 3 years, we've had 100% employment out of our program with our students. We welcome each and every person to come to our site here in the Airon campus.
The Automotive Service Department course, or technician course, allows our students to not only enter into automotive service, but also ladder into heavy duty, parts, recreation like snowmobiles, quads, etc., marine engines, anything where wrenches and engines and transmission of power apply.
The mineral exploration program. It's an extremely good curriculum. It's developed by the Haileybury School of Mines, which has been over 100 years in existence, and we are honored to deliver this program.
There's numerous companies operating in and around northern Saskatchewan, so there's plenty of opportunity that you can find work right close to home.
This program is a level 1 and 2 program, so you learn all the basics of level 1 and 2. This is a great program, many opportunities for students after they graduate. There's a need for carpenters and tradespeople in northern Saskatchewan, all over Canada. So there's a great program for anybody that wants to work with their hands and work out in different environments and is not scared to put in some hard work.
All of these opportunities have been linked to labor market demands in different communities in northern Saskatchewan. So we are looking at creating the opportunities to help develop the skill sets to be successful in those fields. If you are interested in any of our programs, we would love to have you. Please take the time to visit our website at northlandscollege.ca or visit one of our campuses for more information.